This I'm particularly proud of. The remote control for your car. Tap twice. 1, 2. Now, draw your finger very slowly across the pad.
Hi, it's been 23 years since we've seen a remote-controlled car in a James Bond movie. At the time, it was so innovative that it had to be explained in person to the best secret agent. Today, we all already have better phones than Agent 007. Talking about the car, a Tesla with either full self-driving or enhanced autopilot would put MI6 to shame. The Smart Summon feature gives us a way to remotely control the car and have it move to another destination completely on its own. I'll go into more details about this feature later on, but before diving in, I want to tell you what this channel is about and what we'll be doing today. TechRider takes you on trips around California. Have a seat, enjoy the ride, and we'll discuss innovation and new technology on the way. Today, we'll be going to Twin Peaks, an iconic part of San Francisco, overlooking the city, and we can also see the Silicon Valley from the distance. On the way, we'll play with the Summon feature, explain a bit more how it works and its limitation. Let's go! So, how can you remote control your Tesla car? It's pretty easy. Go to the Tesla app and open Summon. From there, we have two options. There are buttons to move the car forward or backwards. This won't be very useful in a parking lot, where we need to take specific lanes, avoid obstacles, and more. So we tap on the map marker here to open Smart Summon. From this map view, you can see the live position of yourself and the car. The circle represents the maximum range you can use the feature from. The target is where you want the car to get to. The blue line is the navigated path that the car will follow to reach the target. Now, just a few more blocks and we'll get to the parking lot and show you.
The summon feature could appear as just a gadget. And to be honest, at the moment that's kind of what it is. It is currently restricted to private roads and parking only. However, the vision is much bigger than this. What if your car is at home, you're about to land at the airport, and the car will come pick you up? What if your car was picking up passengers during the day and making money for you while you're at work? For Tesla to get there, the company needs more data and experience. One cannot go straight from zero to fully autonomous driving cars. The summon feature is an incremental step which allows Tesla to gather data and improve over time. And this is a big part of what the summon feature is about. Learn from users, learn all the strange cases that the car cannot handle on its own yet on the road, and then make a new version to fill the gaps and get further away from the competition. The other part is the cool aspect. Many people talk about this. This is basically a free marketing campaign for Tesla. So, how can a Tesla car drive on its own? First of all, it has a lot of sensors all around the car. We have a radar here for long-range distance measurements. We also have 12 ultra sensors all around the car, as here and here. All those sensors, in addition to the GPS, gives the Tesla car a sensory system which allows it to assess its environment and figure out where it can or cannot go. Let's have a look at the brain of a Tesla car. The combination of all the sensors, in addition to its artificial intelligence model, allows the Tesla car to label objects all around it. If something looks like a car, it has the same size of a car, it's probably a car. It is almost certain the system will get better than the average driver on the long term. So here we are at Twin Peaks. This is one of my favorite spots to take tourists to, because we can see the Golden Gate, an overview of the city, and from the distance the Silicon Valley. For the next video, I will take you to the Tesla factory over there. So please subscribe if you want to have a look, and also show your support, I would really appreciate it. And big thanks for watching my first video. I hope you enjoyed the tech ride.